everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and I am going to show you around the Great Wolf Lodge in Talking Stick, Arizona, right outside of Phoenix. Please make sure to subscribe and let's get started. The biggest perk of staying at Great Wolf Lodge is the water park. That's where we'll start our tour. The water park is mostly indoors, which keeps the temperature at around 85 degrees. This definitely pays off when the Arizona heat is over 100 degrees outside. There is a giant water playground that my kids absolutely loved. With tons of slides and splashing water, it definitely provides tons of entertainment. My kids love testing their balance on the floating lily pads of Bigfoot Pass. The best part is that if you fall, you land in a pool of water. Another fun thing to do in the water park is to float along the Crooked Creek Lazy River. How's the tube ride going?
Good. We're just gonna start walking.
Slaptail Pond was another favorite of my boys. We spent a lot of time swimming around in the giant wave pool. Listen for the howl to know when the waves will begin.
Let's go, come on.
Now let's head over to the slides. There are slides where you sit in a large raft with 3 to 4 riders, as well as slides where you can ride alone or tandem with someone else.
Let's go!
Thrill seekers will also want to check out the Wolf Tail. The floor drops out from under you and you are on your way down a super fun slide. Are you guys having fun? You having fun? Yeah. Eric, having fun? Who's ready? You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Dylan, ready?
Yes.
I'm ready.
Hold on.
Outside there is a large swimming pool as well as a couple of hot tubs. Back inside you will find cabanas and lockers that are available for rent. There are also a couple of places that you can grab a bite to eat.
What was your favorite part of Great Wolf Lodge?
The trapdoor water slide.
What?
The trapdoor water slide.
Trapdoor slide. What was it called? The wolf tail?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
The wave pool.
The wave pool.
Wolf tail.
Now let's head back to the room and I'll show you around our kids' cabin suite. As you enter the room, there is a storage area with a closet and some shelving. Across from the closet is the bathroom. This is a standard bathroom with a shower tub combination and an adorable wolf paw shower curtain. The sink and mirror are located outside of the bathroom next to the closet, which definitely came in handy. The kids' cabin was super cute. There is a set of bunk beds as well as a third twin bed that worked out great for my 3 boys. There were also cute murals of the animals on the walls, and they even had their own TV. The main room had a queen-size bed and a full-size pull-out sofa. I loved the mural on the wall that made you feel like you were in a tent in the forest. The kids' cabin suite also had a small table and chairs, drawers for storage, another TV, and a microwave and mini fridge. The Great Wolf Lodge Resort in Arizona is absolutely breathtaking inside. There are little touches throughout the property that remind you of being in the woods. There are many shops and restaurants located inside the resort, which is really convenient. There are also many attractions and activities that you can experience if you purchase one of the 3 passes available. Unfortunately, on this visit, we didn't have enough time in our stay to use a wolf, paw, or pup pass. If you want to learn more about these, check out our video of Great Wolf Lodge in Washington that I will link in the description. I hope that you enjoyed our tour of Great Wolf Lodge in Arizona. We had a great time and plan to visit again in the future. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other Great Wolf Lodge experiences and visit mommymouseclubhouse.com for fun recipes and Disney tips. See you next time!